Do you ever wonder where your money goes? You get paid, and before you know it, it's gone. The bills pile up, the debt grows, and the stress feels endless. But what if I told you that just a few small changes could completely transform the way you handle money? Today, I'll share with you 7 powerful money management hacks that can help you break free from financial stress and finally feel in control of your money. The first hack is so simple, yet so powerful. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. And trust me, if you apply this one rule, your finances will instantly feel more balanced. Here's how it works. Take your monthly income. Now, split it into 3 parts. 50% goes to your needs, things you can't avoid like rent, bills, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to your wants. Yes, the fun stuff. Eating out, entertainment, hobbies, vacations. And finally, 20% goes to savings or debt repayment, your future. Why is this so effective? Because most people either spend too much on wants and neglect savings, or they try to save everything but end up feeling miserable and giving up. This method gives you balance. You can enjoy your money today while still securing tomorrow. Think about it. Imagine not feeling guilty about buying that new pair of shoes or going out with friends because it's already in your budget. Imagine slowly watching your savings grow every month without feeling deprived. That's the beauty of this rule. And if your income is lower and you can't hit the exact percentages, don't worry. The magic isn't in the numbers, it's in the structure. Even if you start with 70-20-10 or 60-25-15, the point is you're giving your money a plan. Without a plan, money disappears. With a plan, every dollar has a job. And when every dollar has a job, you're in control. Not your bills, not your spending habits, and not your impulses. Let's move on to hack number 2 and hack number 3, because these two go hand in hand and can completely change your relationship with money. Hack number 2 is pay yourself first. Think about how you usually handle your paycheck. Most people pay their rent, bills, groceries, and everything else first. And then, whatever is left at the end of the month, if anything, they save it. But here's the problem. There's never anything left. Life will always find a way to spend it. So instead, flip the script. The moment money hits your account, pay yourself first. Put something aside for savings, investments, or an emergency fund. Even if it's just $20 or $50, that money is now building your future. You are literally treating yourself like the most important bill in your life, because you are. Now here's where hack number 3 comes in. Automate your savings. The truth is, we're human. We forget. We get tempted. We make excuses. That's why automation is powerful. Set up an automatic transfer that moves money into your savings account or investment account every payday. That way, you don't even get the chance to touch it. This combination is life-changing. Paying yourself first creates the habit. Automating it guarantees consistency. Imagine saving for a whole year without even noticing the money is gone. That's how wealth is built, not through giant leaps, but through steady, consistent steps. And if you master this, you'll always be one step ahead financially. Now, let's talk about the leaks, the hidden ways money slips out of your hands without you realizing it. That's where hack number 4 and hack number 5 come in. Hack number 4, track every expense for 30 days. I mean everything, from the $2 coffee to the $200 shopping spree. Write it down or use an app. Why? Because awareness is power. Most of us think we know where our money goes, but when you actually track it, you'll be shocked. You'll see patterns. $300 on takeout, $100 on unused subscriptions, $50 on impulse buys you don't even remember. This one habit can open your eyes to where your money is really going. Hack number 5, cut the leaks. Once you know where the money is slipping away, it's time to plug the holes. Do you have subscriptions you forgot about? Cancel them. Ordering delivery 5 times a week? Cut it to 2. Paying high interest on a credit card? Call your bank and negotiate or transfer your balance. These small leaks seem harmless, but they destroy your financial foundation. Think of it like a bucket. You keep pouring water in, but if there are holes at the bottom, it never fills. Cutting leaks is like patching the bucket so your savings can finally grow. The best part? Cutting just a few of these unnecessary expenses can save you hundreds, even thousands, every year. That's money you can redirect towards savings, investments, or paying down debt. This next hack is old school, but it works so well it's still one of the most powerful budgeting tools out there, the cash envelope system. Here's how it works. At the start of each month, take out cash and put it into envelopes for different spending categories: food, gas, entertainment, dining out. Each envelope has a set limit. Once the cash is gone, that's it. No swiping the card, no cheating. You stop spending. Why does this work? Because spending money digitally doesn't feel real. When you swipe your card or tap your phone, it's painless. You don't see the money leaving. But when you physically hand over cash, it hurts a little. That tiny moment of hesitation makes you think, do I really need this? And often the answer is no. The beauty of this system is that it creates discipline without complicated spreadsheets. If you tend to overspend in certain areas like eating out or shopping, this system forces you to stay accountable. And here's a pro tip. You don't have to use envelopes for everything. Use them only for the categories you struggle with most. That way, you're targeting your weak spots without overcomplicating your budget. The cash envelope system is about more than money. It's about awareness. It helps you take back control, stop emotional spending, and start living within your means. Because when you know exactly where your money goes, you gain real power over it. Finally, hack number 7. The one that can truly transform your life. Invest in your future. Here's the reality. Saving is important, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. If you put $100 a month in a savings account, after a year you'll have $200. But if you invest that same $100 a month in a simple index fund earning 8% annually, in 20 years you could have almost $60,000. That's the power of investing. Investing is how you make your money work for you. It's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. You don't need to be a stock market expert. You don't need to take huge risks. Start small. Open a retirement account, invest in low-cost index funds, or explore fractional shares. The most important thing is to start early and stay consistent. Think of every dollar you invest as a tiny employee working for you 24/7 for the rest of your life. The more employees you hire, the less you'll have to work in the future. And here's the emotional truth. Investing isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to retire early. Freedom to spend more time with family. Freedom to live life on your terms. So don't wait until someday. Start today. Even if it's just a small amount, the habit is what matters, because the sooner you start, the sooner you buy your freedom. So let's recap quickly. Hack number 1, the 50-30-20 rule, gives your money structure. Hack number 2, pay yourself first, prioritizes your future. Hack number 3, automation, guarantees you stick with it. Hack number 4, tracking expenses, shows you where the leaks are. Hack number 5, cutting leaks, saves you money without sacrifice. Hack number 6, the cash envelope system, creates discipline. And hack number 7, investing, turns your money into freedom. But here's what I want you to take away. Money management isn't just about numbers. It's about emotions. It's about peace of mind when you go to bed at night. It's about confidence when unexpected bills come in. It's about building a life where money supports you instead of stressing you out. And here's the good news. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to master all 7 hacks today. Just pick one, start small, and stay consistent. Over time, these habits will stack up, and you'll look back and realize how far you've come. So ask yourself, what would life feel like if you were in control of your money instead of your money controlling you? What kind of future could you build if you just applied these hacks starting today? If this video gave you value, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more life-changing money tips every week. And if you know someone who's struggling with money right now, share this video with them. It could change their life. Remember, it's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage it. And once you master that, you can master your future.